So that's everything I chicks cut. This bow belt, a nice top. So these are the things I'm about to unbox. Hi guys, welcome to yet another vlog. I'm so excited for this one because I'm going to be going out a lot. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. I've had an amazing week. Just getting ready to leave the house now. I'm so happy with my outfit. Oh my days, I just can't wait to show you my outfit. I haven't worn this outfit ever since I left Kenya. It was new when I left Kenya, so I was a bit scared it wasn't going to fit me, but it fits. So yeah, I'm going out to my friend's house. She's hosting a summer do, so I'm going to go there. But I have some few things to unbox. So I'm going to unbox them with you guys. And then I'm going to show you my outfit. No, I'll show you guys my outfit first. So that's my outfit. It's a two-piece. It's a top and a skirt, and I'm wearing my Maasai sandals from Kenya. White summery, so yeah, buzzing about it. Unbox, I got these shoes. I got these shoes from Office. And my Puma Ballets, I'm gonna show you now. And then I'm guessing these are my hair products, and I got these socks from there. So yeah, I'm going to unbox them real quick before we leave the house. It's a bit hot today. I don't know. It says 19 degrees. Definitely feels hotter than that. So I'm going to have a drink. My husband started buying these drinks. Tango Zero. They're quite nice. So I've been drinking loads of them. It's the apple flavor, Tango, and it's sugar free, so it's really good. So just these socks, I got them for when I wear my flats. Oops. Got them for when I wear my flats, so let's see. Cotton, they're quite decent, so that's fine. Just gonna put them back. And these are the hair products. Just gonna consider. Oops. I'm not even gonna keep about this. I've been using these hair products like, I don't know, and disclaimer also, this is not an ad. Genuinely, I've been using these products and I've seen so much growth in my hair, so that's how they look like. It's called Mielle. I hope I'm saying it right. It's called Mielle. That's how it looks like. So this is the shampoo. I use this shampoo on my hair. It's very, very good. It has a very minty rosemary smell. And it does say on here, infused with rosemary mint. Yeah. And then I also got the conditioner. That's it. So the shampoo and the conditioner. And then I got the hair oil. Rosemary rosemary and mint as well, sorry. Very good products, them three. Them three. Amazing products. I've used them for about 3 months now, and I can literally see like the difference in my hair because I do my hair every like end of the month. I take them out, wash it, and use the conditioner and everything, and so good. Not enough. Now we have my shoes. I've been seeing these shoes online and I've really wanted to get them a lot. So that's that. I already opened them as well. So got my Puma Ballets. Got them in the silver color. Just put the box on here. On Instagram, I think it was a couple of days before, I popped a poll on Instagram because I couldn't decide between them and the Adidas ones. So I just thought like, oh, I'm going to put a poll on Instagram and ask someone and ask people like what shoes I should go with. So most of the people ended up voting for them. So I got them, even though I would rather much have had to both of them. But I had to go with these ones. I quite like these ones though. So yeah, I'm going to wear them. I don't know when. One of these days. So yeah, those are the things I had to unbox. I think my friend's going to be here any minute now.
Can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair or tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. Being close, she's close enough. Who could say every time we touch, every time we wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too far in. I know when they see just one, do they see us too? It's when I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. It's when I'm melting to you. Melting to you. Melting to Hoping that that secret spill out your mouth and inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far in. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through?
Good morning, guys. So this is the next day. I'm still going out. I just think I'm going to be out the whole week or the whole weekend. I don't know, but this is the next day. I'm going out with my friends for drinks, so I'm going to show you my outfit. Kind of like this outfit as well. I'm just not sure about the weather because it doesn't look so great outside, but I'm still going to wear my outfit, so I'm going to quickly show you my outfit. Kind of like this one so much, so that's my outfit of the day. I like this chic dress, no, this chic skirt, this bow belt, and this top, and a little bow at the back. I think I'm gonna wear a denim jacket on top of that, so
Hoping that that secret spill out your mouth. every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish I could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the fence feels way too far. And no one when they see just wonder they see us through.
Hi guys, this is me coming back to the vlog. I got back home yesterday. Must have been 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I'm not so, or maybe 8 o'clock. I'm not so sure what time I got back home yesterday. But I had a good time. I really had a good time. So, yeah, this is me back home today. I just got dressed. I'm about to go and do my grocery shopping. Yeah, so I thought to check in the vlog and let you know how yesterday went. Yeah, I really had a blast. So I'm gonna head out now, get my grocery shopping done, and then come back home. Hi guys, just got back from shopping. These are the things I bought at the back. I'm quickly gonna show you. Couldn't vlog in the supermarket. There was loads of people basically, and I don't like filming people. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly. Something's stuck in my hair. So I'm gonna show you the things I bought. I did small grocery. Is that even correct? I don't know, but I just didn't buy what I normally buy because I feel like I still have loads of things. So yeah, I just bought a couple of things and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. They're right behind me. So let's unpack these bags with you guys. So those are the bags I got. Just them two. Not a lot, but okay. So that's everything I got for my weekly grocery shopping. Just what I need for the week. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you watched until here, thank you so much for watching my vlog. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.